Everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today is going to be so good. I cannot wait to share this one with you guys because today is the day that these shelves finally get finished and built out. I've shared with you guys my plans for these shelves, but in case it's your first time here, we will be trimming these out and doing fully custom arches. Now, we put this in ourselves about 6 years ago when we built the house. I will put in some before pictures so you guys can see what it looked like when we purchased the home. None of this was here, and so today is 6 years running on finally kind of getting that full vision and making these just look finished. Also taking away a lot of stress of having to decorate all of these. As you can see, that is a lot of shelves to have to put decorations on. It could cause a lot of clutter. It just is very overwhelming. So I know by trimming down the wide open space into 4 different sections and arching them out is definitely going to help a ton. But I will put plenty of before pictures. Like I said, when we purchased the home, I'll be sure to put in pictures what it looked like yesterday before I removed all the decorations, and then of course take you guys through the process and show you guys some highlights, and hopefully by the end of this video they will be fully decorated and finished. So make sure you guys stick around until the very end. If you guys are new here, I love creating content like this: home refreshes, makeovers, cleaning, decorating, recipes, shopping, hauls, stuff like that. So make sure you guys subscribe, and then if you guys like this one, liking this video helps me out a ton. Other than that, let's dive right in. Before we get started finally decorating these shelves, this is the moment that I have been dreaming of for months, and I cannot believe that it's finally here and I'm finally able to share this with you guys. So what I did is I laid out the majority of the stuff that I owned, plus I went out and found some really special pieces to hopefully add to these shelves. So this print is one of them. It's the Threshold Studio McGee collaboration, and this is so beautiful. I got it from Target. I want to say it was $23. And same thing with this horse photo. It's also by Threshold Studio McGee. their collaboration, and I decided to just layer up these prints with this beautiful brass duck that I picked up from Tractor Supply. I had to have him. I think you could use him year round personally, but I think he's especially great for springtime. And then I got these boxes here on clearance at HomeGoods. I got the larger size for $9 and the one I put on top, the smaller size, for just $8. And then everything else I'm just grabbing from my home decor stash that I've just collected over time having these shelves. And the goal was to keep these top shelves incredibly simple with maybe just 1 or 2 items. I do want to buy a second black vase, maybe half the size of that large one that I put up there, but I didn't have one, so I'm on the lookout. So I just put my little black diffuser. It's by Aroma 360. It smells delightful. And I am still playing with these, and by the end of the video you will see a few changes. But that is one thing I love about these, is that the options are absolutely endless. My little warming lamp I put right here for now, but like I said, I've been moving things around, so just kind of bear with me. I'm going to take you through the process. I do have some more decor I'm going to show you as we decorate the other side, but for now I'm just going to let you kind of sit back and watch and see how it all comes together. Here are some of the items I laid out for the right side, and this side is actually probably my favorite of the two. I love how all these pieces just flowed so nicely. You all saw me pick up this print a few videos ago. I'm committing, I'm keeping it, so the tags and the packaging is coming off. Really wasn't comfortable making this decision until these arches were done, and I knew that I was going to be keeping it 100%. And so happy that it looks as good as it does in this space. So everything that I'm using here, with an exception again of just a couple pieces, I'm pulling from things that I already owned. So a lot of these pieces will look familiar if you guys have seen me decorate these shelves, or if you guys are familiar with my channel. And I just love shopping my own home before I go out and spend the money. So these vases are from Hobby Lobby. I've owned them for years, and it's like they were made for this space. I think they just look so awesome. Then this pair of wood carved Magnolia Home pots I picked up from Living Spaces a couple years ago. They weren't the cheapest, but I love them and I use them all the time. So I feel like it was definitely worth the investment. And again, I think they look so good on that top shelf. I had to pick up these artichokes from HomeGoods, $16.99 for 4 of them, and they look so realistic and again so beautiful for springtime. And I'm just gonna place them in this gorgeous metal gold pedestal, again from HomeGoods. That was $29.99. They did have one size bigger, but I thought this size was perfect. I could use this on my kitchen island. I could put fruit in it. I could put it on my coffee table, my dining table, here on my shelves. Definitely had to pick that up and bring it with me. It's such a timeless, classy, sophisticated piece. This lamp you see in the corner, I'm on the lookout for a second one to go on the other side. I did get this from HomeGoods for $29.99, and it almost looks like it's made of like mother of pearl with that super trendy checkered print, but at the same time extremely sophisticated. So I'll give you guys a beautiful after. You guys please let me know what you think of the finished product down below in the comments. I love how both sides of the fireplace are different but complement each other, and I feel like it's only going to get better as I play with these and add to them and even come in and decorate for spring and for Easter. and I'm just so pleased. So I can't wait to hear what you guys think about these down below in the comments, and I can't believe that it's finally finished. So thank you so much for watching today. I know this was a short one, but I definitely wanted to do a dedicated video when it came to building out these shelves. I'm so pleased. If you guys are new here, I would love if you would consider subscribing before you leave. I have so many videos in the pipeline. I'm currently filming about 3 more at the same time, so lots to come. If you guys enjoyed this one, please like before you leave. It helps me out a ton as a small creator. And other than that, I will see you in the next video. Bye, friends.